Part two of today's Local 6 Legal Line, visiting with attorneys from the Bryan Law Center, Paducah, Mayfield, and Louisville. And the topic so far has been Ozempic. And before we transfer to the discussion on Casey's Law, somebody wants to know, first of all, what do they need to do if they have a case, and how much does it cost to get in it?
Okay, just pick up the phone and call us. We're taking these cases all over the United States, but here in our region, yes, we're doing a lot of them. All you gotta do is just pick up the phone. It does not cost you a dime until the case is over and we win your case, and then it comes out of whatever we settle it for.
Well, transitioning to Casey's Law, and many of you out there probably don't even know what that is. I had to ask myself, but this is something that deals with families who have a loved one that's battling addiction. They may not be aware that this law is actually designed to help. So Tyler, we're going to put the ball in your court. How is this designed to help?
Okay, thank you, Dave. Basically, what Casey's Law is designed to do is that if you are a family member, friend, spouse, or legal guardian of somebody that's struggling with substance abuse issues and you want to get them treatment, and these folks may be at a stage where they're not willing to go on their own, but they definitely need the treatment, and they've not been charged with a crime. This is not a criminal statute, but this is a petition basically that you can file with the court. Once you do that, the court's going to cross-examine you to establish whether or not there's probable cause to move forward with it, and if there is, they will order an assessment of your loved one by two medical professionals, one of which at least has to be a doctor. And once they have that assessment in, if the court feels like treatment would be beneficial and should be mandated, then they'll have a hearing where the respondent, the loved one that you're petitioning on the behalf of, will be represented by an attorney, and they'll take testimony. And if the court decides that treatment would be in the best interest of this person, they can order either a 60-day stay in treatment or on up to 360 days of treatment. So once again, if somebody decides that they're not going to follow the court's order, the court has some contempt provisions that they can use to help make sure that they follow the court's order. One of the things that potential petitioners have to understand is that whoever does file the petition is going to be responsible for the treatment costs and the assessment costs and things like that. I would say that you can file this petition on your own, but I think it's always beneficial, like when you're working through the court system, is to reach out to an attorney, talk to them. We can certainly help you through that process. If you have a loved one, a spouse, a family member that needs treatment but isn't quite ready to go on their own, and you really think that they could benefit from it, this can save a lot of heartache and a lot of grief, getting folks treatment early before they end up in the criminal justice system charged with a crime, which there's long-standing consequences to that. So it's best to get treatment, as quick as possible.
Mark Bryant and Tyler Brown have been our guests today on this edition of Local 6 Legal Line, discussing the lawsuit against Ozempic as well as Casey's Law and details about that. If you'd like to review either one of these segments, give us a little bit of time, and they'll be online at WPSDLocal6.com.